Well, that's really good. I'm talking with Seth, been doing lending for 22 years and has helped a lot of people over that time. But I run into a number of people, Seth, that they're like, Mark, I don't really know where to start. I don't know my buying power. I don't even know my credit. I think I even have bad credit.
Right.
So where do they start, Seth? I mean,
It's simple. It's just a phone call to me. We pull the credit, right? And then I
okay.
say, and you know what? You might be in a situation where I'll be like, okay, let's start from scratch. All right, go get a couple credit cards, pay them. Never put this amount on them. We'll go through all the details of all that, right? I'll instruct you. I'm not a credit expert, but I can at least guide you to get you to where what I've seen work for other people, right? So
Right.
I've seen enough, and we also have a rapid rescore program that we do through our credit bureaus that will help you as well. If things are reporting wrong, like a lot of times people are like, I didn't even know I had that medical collection. Like I moved 4 times from then, and they sent to my four addresses ago. Like I had
Oh,
no idea.
wow.
Right?
Yeah.
It happens all the time. So you can fight those. They're getting a lot more lenient on medical bills. So it's just a process, right? You got to know what you're doing. You got to know what to ask for. You really do need to speak with somebody like me, because you could be like, well, I got this letter that says that I don't owe anything on this collection. And I'm like, well, that's great, but that letter doesn't really tell the bureaus that. So you have to ask for a certain type of letter, all that stuff. Anyways, we can go through all that with somebody, but like you said, you just got to start. You got to inquire. You got to get your credit pulled. You got to do a full application. That's how it starts. So,
And how
yeah.
long does it take to do a credit application with your credit inquiry?
Well, I mean, it depends on your situation, how much you have, how many jobs you've had in the last 2 years, for instance. Like, I mean, it takes a minute to fill out everything online, but it's all online. It's real easy. I've had some people do it in 10 minutes, right?
Okay.
Other people that have a more complicated situation might take them 20 to 30 minutes. But, if you're pretty simple, you've lived in the same place for 2 years and you have had one job for the last 2 years, it'll go real fast. So, yeah.
Yeah,